gosh, this is my world.
Y'all know I ended up doing what I was sitting at the table talking junk about, talking about what I wasn't gonna be doing.
She doing a superb job, guys. I'm all set up. You guys see what's been happening here. God,
To be all up in the camera.
I want to see them, Donna.
Look like a kid in a candy store.
This is y'all gonna see this.
Oh, he's so excited. Okay, so on the menu, I did end up doing some chicken wings, but you know, we bought them. Listen, I made it easy for myself, so I bought the chicken wings, but I did fix macaroni salad and then did some baked beans. Okay, but I meant to put this up on the wall.
You did?
Yeah, and this is also the day that I did his moon pie pound. No, not a pound cake. Moon pie layer cake. So that'll be for dessert. Anything in my nose? I said my nose. Is my nose? Anything in my nose?
Wow, that's a lot. No.
Seemed like I felt something. But anywho, so they will have the moon pie layer cake for dessert. And then, babe, what y'all looking at today? What y'all looking at?
Thor, Love and Thunder.
Thor, Love and Thunder. And that's a Marvel?
Yeah, this is Marvel. That's not
so
DC.
it's Superman and Batman in
That's
Marvel?
DC.
It's
That's
DC.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I have on some Batman. I was kind of trying to
Yeah, baby, you're right there with us, baby. You're right there with us. It's Marvel, baby, but it's
well, it's all right.
It's DC, but
I'm Batgirl.
You is, baby. You're a Batgirl. You are so Batgirl.
Anywho, so I went and picked up a few snacks. And if they do have some popcorn, honey, they have some popcorn bags because they will not be using our personalized popcorn.
That's gonna be for when all the family come together. She even hid the.
I did.
Okay.
You gotta be telling all my business. I hid our personalized popcorn bins because I told him we've not used them yet, and him and his little friends wasn't getting ready to use our stuff, so I bought them some popcorn bags if they eat popcorn. So here you go, baby. The timer going off on the
what do you mean?
On the I turned it off. But it should be okay. So these are little snacks, y'all, that I picked up today.
This is so cool, everybody. This is so
He's so excited. Lord have y'all, he be like a kid in a and y'all, this is how he is for real, for real. I mean, really, he's so excited. Okay, here go the snacks. Okay, so we have some baked beans, Boston baked beans, some M&M's, some Milk Duds, some Raisinets, some Mike and Ike. We've got all three. They have the original, the Tropical Typhoon, and then the Mega Mix. Okay, got some Laffy Taffies down here, some lemon heads, some Oreo cookies. We have some chips here, and then Lord, he picked up some fiddle faddle, y'all, and then some regular popcorn. They are not getting ready to eat all this stuff. You hear me? Okay, and then over here for look, y'all, I found these dish towels probably a couple of months ago. I think at Tuesday morning, so I could not resist, y'all. All right, and then in the fridge we just have some water, some Sprite, some Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Crush, and Fanta. And it sounds like one of his guests have arrived already. So y'all, I guess I better get back downstairs so I can. Y'all, he loves Marvel and DC. Is that right? Can't you tell by the room? He loves it. Okay. And this theater room was all about him. So I said, honey, however you want to decorate it, it's fine. Okay. Hey there.
Hey.
You still talking about that cake? ways.
You did a good job. I really enjoyed it, babe. Thank you. I had a good time. We had fun. We had fun. You guys really ate till they couldn't eat no more. They ate.
Well, it's time to clean up now.
Yep. It's time to clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up. Whew.
Well, you guys, he had fun. The movie was good. Was it worth watching? Don't give anything away. What was the movie again?
Thor: Love and Thunder.
Thor: Love and Thunder. Was it good?
I wouldn't have went to the movies to see it.
You wouldn't?
Nope.
Okay.
Sure enough wouldn't.
Okay.
But
we're gonna leave it at that, huh?
We're gonna leave it at. I mean, it was. Oh. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
But I enjoyed it with the guys. We had fun, guys.
I know.
We had a real fun time. Okay, I gotta clean up. I got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta clean up and shave.
Why did you bring the mail up here, babe?
I was writing on the back. I was trying to do 3 things at one time. Hey, I really appreciate it. You went above and beyond as usual. You went out the way. You did an awesome job. You really did.
You will.
The guys, they really, really enjoyed it. They really
did.
They scored again. Sure did.
This your part. I done my part. Your
I'm
part.
gonna get this thing going.
Your part, the cleanup part.
Hey guys, thank you guys for taking time.
Why are you getting on your knees?
Because it's pointing down where it looked too low. Guys.
It's not pointing down.
Well, it feel like my head was too tall. Donna, I was growing when I come up here.
Okay.
But look, guys, I say to each and every last one of you guys, I really appreciate y'all taking time with me. I really enjoy this. Hey, did she show y'all guys? Did y'all see my room?
They've seen the room before, babe.
You sure, Donna?
I have, and if not, they can go look at the video.
Did they see? But did they see it with my refrigerator and stuff stocked?
Oh yes, I showed them the snacks and stuff.
Okay, well guys, again, thank you guys for the time y'all guys have spent with us. I really appreciate you guys. And hey, I'm gonna tell you, I had a really good time tonight. I had a really, really good time. Now I got to shave and clean up and all of this stuff for tomorrow.
And I ain't even come up here and bother y'all.
She sure did. Now, the only time she came up here, she was bringing more food. She was bringing more food, guys. And this is why I love her. She went above and beyond. So what I have decided to do is she can have all of my money. You can have my checks. You can have my bank account. You get all of me, girl. You get all of me.
Oh.
She gets all of me. So, guys, now I really say, I really do. I want to say, and I'm serious here, I thank God for her. She take her time to make sure that everything goes well. She gives her best at everything she's doing. And especially when she's doing something for me, she goes above and beyond. And for that, I'm forever grateful. I really am. I love her. I think, girl, give me some hug, girl. Give me some. And she just need to learn.
I need to what?
She need to learn her. She need to learn her superheroes. Look, we're looking at Marvel.
No, that's what Johnny said. Okay, so
she running around with Batman. That's DC.
It's DC.
She was running around with DC and talking about she Batgirl.
All I know was superhero stuff.
Okay.
I was trying to,
Everybody looking like this is Marvel. It ain't DC time yet.
Well, that's all right.
Well,
Babe, do you know how old this shirt is? This was Donice's shirt. I think she had it. Was it in middle school?
Really?
I think she had it in middle school, and she's what, 29 now? That's how long I've had this shirt.
That's 10, 11 years ago.
Anywho, well, that's
11,
long.
12
No,
years
that's
ago.
longer than that. She was
12
in middle
years ago.
school.
Oh, she was in middle school. 12. That's like 12.
Anywho, whatever.
15 years ago.
Well, you gonna take us out?
Yeah. So, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for taking the time to really enjoy this time with us. I am very appreciative of my wife and what she has done.
Baby, you done said that.
I'm so appreciative, Donna.
I know, baby.
I just want to say I'm appreciative, guys. And I just want to thank you guys again for spending time with us and for supporting our channel. We are so appreciative and grateful to you guys. And just tell you guys, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe with us so you can see what we're doing. Get that notification bell, guys. Let's hit the nosy. So when we're doing something, you can get right in on what we're doing. You can be nosy. And so that's what we're looking for, guys. Thank you guys once again. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys the next time.
Next time. Bye.
Bye.